CloudWorld is just around the corner. To set yourself up for success in Las Vegas and help your days go as smoothly as possible, we've compiled a list of 6 important things we want you to know before you go. And hey, if you watch to the end, you just might find a bonus tip on where to find some extra fun. 1. Our CloudWorld packing list highlights what you need for a successful conference, from comfortable shoes to your laptop for hands-on labs. The list is easy to find under the Get Ready tab on the CloudWorld website. 2. Use the CloudWorld Schedule Builder and create a personal schedule with your favorite sessions to ensure you get the knowledge that suits your role and industry. While at CloudWorld, your unique schedule will be accessible on the Oracle Events mobile app. That way, you'll always know where to go and when to show up. Soon, we'll share a video showing you how to download and use the mobile app. Stay tuned. 3. This year, you'll find the main registration area on level 2 of the Venetian, near the entrance to the conference center. On Monday, September 18th, registration is open from 7:30 in the morning to 9 at night. Stop by during these times to avoid long lines before Tuesday morning's keynote. 4. Looking to attend CloudWorld and Oracle Health Conference? Use the Oracle Bridge, which connects CloudWorld in the Venetian and Oracle Health Conference next door at Caesars Forum. You can find the Oracle Bridge by walking to the rear of the CloudWorld Hub and stepping outside. Don't worry, we'll have signs to help you find it. 5. CloudWorld offers multiple ways to get hands-on learning. You can enroll in a pre-event training course, book a certification exam, or take a hands-on lab. Heads up, for all these activities, you'll need to bring your own laptop. 6. If you aren't attending a keynote or session, visit the CloudWorld Hub at the heart of the conference. It's where you'll see the latest innovations, get answers from experts, meet with peers in networking lounges, and even catch a glimpse of Oracle TV in action. This year, try new interactive experiences featuring the Oracle Red Bull racing car and the Sail GP simulators. And don't miss the new Oracle store where you can find branded merchandise. And here's that bonus tip. Swing by the sponsors and exhibitor booths in the CloudWorld Hub for fun activities, swag, and insight into the ways Oracle partners can help drive your success. Thanks for registering for CloudWorld. We can't wait to see you in Las Vegas.